Hey everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we are going to look into app services backup and restore. Let's get started. So once you navigate into the application, so if you move into the settings, you would go to the backup section. So once you click on that, so you can see this by default it takes a hourly backup, and also you can configure custom backups. So once you click on custom backups, so you get to choose a storage account, which container, storage container, and then you can have a set schedule, which you can choose by days or hour, and then when is the start time. And if you want to do it in UTC or if you're in local EST, then you can choose something. And then also you can mention the retention period, how long you want to hold the backups. Once you complete that, and you could also do the backup now. So once you hit that, so you can see this, it immediately started a custom backup. So now the custom backup has been completed. You can see that it succeeded. So when you would like to restore a backup, so choose the backup that you would like, and then you can just click on restore. So once you hit the restore, it's going to show you that. And then eventually it's going to restore it as a slot. So once you hit that, you hit restore. So it's going to restore it as a slot. So once you go into the deployment and then go into the deployment slots, you can see that once the new restore is completed here, and then it is stopped at the moment. So this is another restore that I tried. So once you open this, you can see this app slot demo deployment, which we did last week. And this is the actual production live site right now, which is a backup demo. So whenever you're ready to, you can see the second restore is completed here. And that is also running right now. So it's as simple as that. When you're doing restores, you can restore the entire website, or the other way around, as you can also download the backups. So once you go to the settings, backup, click on the backups. Once you navigate to the backup, so you have an option to download the backup. Just to give you an idea. So once you navigate inside, go to the site, www.root, and you have all the files here. Backup and restore in web apps is as simple as that. Hope this is helpful. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you again next week with another topic. Thanks again for watching.